Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today in today's video we're gonna talk about stock market. This video covers an end-to-end process. Please stick up to the end to understand what are the entities involved before you start buying or selling shares in Nairobi Securities Exchange. Now the first thing is you need a stockbroker. It's a professional who will execute, buy and sell orders for stocks on your behalf, and they can also help you to set up a central depository system account, which is free to open, and you can do it as an individual or jointly with a group or other participants. Okay, so all the stockbroker will do is they call it KYC, that is know your customer. They will ask you for your passport photos, they'll ask you for KRA PIN, they'll ask you for national ID or passport, mobile number, evidence of residence and income, and also bank account, which mostly they will ask for a statement. Now the reason for bank account is because the stocks that you buy, there are some entities which issue dividends. Now these dividends can be either sent to you through mobile money, or they can be sent to you to a bank account or issued as a form of a check. So that's the reason why they'll always ask for a bank statement. Once this information is shared, then pass this information to CDSC, which is Central Depository and Settlement Corporation. CDSC is a limited liability company approved by Capital Market Authority to provide automated clearing, delivery and settlement of facilities in respect of transactions carried out at Nairobi Securities Exchange. So what they will do here is they will come back to your stockbroker with a central depository system account. This is the account that now will be linked by your broker to facilitate the trading at Nairobi Securities Exchange. Now at this point we haven't really stepped out in the market yet, but so far we've done the KYC, which is know your customer. It's completely done by your broker. Also the CDS account has been created. Now the next step is how do you access Nairobi Securities Exchange, and they will provide you with a username and password for those who have advanced into the mobile application, or some of them they even provide USSD shortcode. So it's up to your convenience, whatever the technology is at your disposal to start trading. So once you log in and your information is authenticated and validated, then you have access to this market. And now Nairobi Securities Exchange is a dealer that provides a market to buy or sell shares or financial instruments of publicly listed companies. Okay, so here are the examples I've given: Safaricom, Equity, KPLC, Bamburi, and many others. Now when you have access to the stock, now all you need is to make sure that you have sufficient funds in your broker account to buy shares, because broker is where now the entity that now facilitates all these kind of transactions that you will execute into the Nairobi Securities Exchange. There are provisions to top up by M-Pesa, which is most of us do, especially for transactions that are within, let's say, 20,000, 50,000 or thereabout. So these are transactions you can just execute through M-Pesa. And once you have the access, you can now pick your shares, the shares that you want to buy or sell, and your broker will submit your buy or sell order. And I plan to do a live trading video in a couple of days to come, so that you can see how this happens. Of course, the buy and sell has some conditions. Of course, the demand and supply has to be available for you to sell shares, and we'll see that in the next video. The final thing that happens is at the end of the month you'll receive your CDS account statement, which itemizes all the transactions you've done, and it shows what you've bought, what you've sold in the Nairobi Securities Exchange. And this covers the end-to-end process of creating an account with a broker, CDS account with a CDSC, and then being granted access by your broker to access the Nairobi Securities Exchange and sell your shares. And that's it. Thank you guys for your time. Please subscribe. I've seen so much love from the last videos that I posted about money market fund, and hopefully this was also useful, and looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you.